We're going to take profit here on the YM. Short it on the pop-up. NQ strong. We make $95 on NQ. Down 119 on the micros here. Right? Taking this off would come back and beat me. So I make close to $300. I'm down 140 here. So I got out to this one in time though. On YM, this guy. All right, but he's gonna be another short again. This guy. All right. We look to short NQ. Right. So I'm doing nothing in the big YM. Make my money in the big YM. I can concentrate on this guy here. We getting a trade deal on Brexit. All right. I think they got something to do with this kind of speed here, but this guy rallying up here, right? And micros are, we should get a drop on this guy. So get some volume here. The volume on the YM is dead now. Look at that thing. Look at that rally, bro. Whoo! Will be time to take a big one here. What time is it? Maybe 9:45. It looked to double here. YM trades are dead already. Nothing to do. We got the drop, chop in. We'll just concentrate on NQ. All right. Don't want to go in too early here in NQ. It's a straight up. Look at that. Gonna get extended. All right. Once you get extended, like here, if you come here, let me look at 715. All right. That might be the trick there. 715. Yesterday, value area high. Right. 715. Yesterday, value area high. Man, look how he's running this shit, bro. Woo! I'm gonna take it down though. Gotta wait. 715. Yesterday, value area high. Can't go in yet. Candle's still bucking here. But get a yellow candle. We can't go in yet. Going in now. Going in now. Taking one now. Then get filled. Chasing it. Chasing it. I chase it. See what happens. I want to give up too much, right? Don't want to give up too much here. Move up my micros. And then I could sit back here. Let this one make some money here. Right? I want him to come back and beat me though. It's kind of crazy. The speed is crazy still. Come back and beat me. See that? I think he should turn here. It's 9:42. Got a couple more minutes. YM's dead. Nothing. trade this NQ. Look for a turn here. 945 turn, right? Should have taken that $70 win, but think we should drop here. Uh-oh. The green dot's painted up, right? The micros are killing me here. It's all right. They're going to hold. Got a little cushion, so I'm going to hold it. Why was a trade? I should have loaded up on this thing, bro. Drop here. NQ's flopping here. I like this. Taking too long. Did he reach that level? Yeah, you hit that level. You hit the 15 level here. Hit the 15 level here. If you don't turn here, I got to get out. I don't know if the Brexit deal have anything to do with that, but that's kind of crazy, right? I'll play it accordingly. The charts are behind the dome now. Right. We sit back here now and see what happens. $9.45. Nothing happened yet. Something better happen soon. It's breaking above here. There's a speed here. So it's separated here. I think we could get a turn here, though. Want to see these start hooking down? If they hook down, we're in business. Still pointing up. Charts are not doing much here, just stuck. Right. Once we get a hook down, we come down. Right. And I add to my trade there. I got it. I add in there. Now I'm looking for a bigger drop. Right. See, hit that level. I'm looking for it to come down here and come here. Need to break this here. Yesterday VWAP, and then we be in business. All right. Could break yesterday VWAP. We'd be nice. We come to the value area, still hanging here. These things need to hook down. All right. Standard deviation need to hook down. This need to hook up. This need to hook down. And then the speed to the upside is finished. Still hanging here. If you got a trade, if you guys don't have a trade in NQ, you take it right to the top of the key there, bro. 7, 13, 14, 12, whatever the numbers is. Right? You just stick it. Right? Put on a micro there. Keep it tight. You know, it's already exhausted or top here. Right? Once it turn, see how this curving down? Once this curve down and this curve up, we might get the flip down, right? So here we come, the flip. The flip down is coming now, right? The thing act as resistance there, bro. So we come back to the first band. We need to come back here. This would be the target here. Still pointing up. We need to hook down a little more. Then we know the speed is done. Come back here to this swing here. Well, that would be good. First band, half standard deviation here, and VWAP. That's what I would like to see. Yeah, Santa Claus rally on the YM on that NQ. YM drop and he just stuck there. Look the difference in volume, man. Look here. Difference in volume. Right? Well, he needs to just drop. He's just hanging here, man. He can't get it's just you see how it's not hooking down fast enough. Still pointing up. That's why I expand the chart to see if the hook is coming, right? 949. Need to drop soon. Can't do nothing in YM. He's not giving us a play. What goal? What goal is doing? He had that drop like this guy. I mean, not gold. This guy here, the Russell, and gold just bounce up. All right, so this is not a good pattern right now. It's consolidating here. And the closer we get to 10 o'clock, now we got to look for the 10 o'clock pivot. It stopped going up at 9:45, but this is when the see, it's not a good pattern here. Now we got to wait till 10 o'clock. Yeah, I ain't seen nothing that why that guy. There's always the big news now on the market is that this guy Brexit, right? Brexit is the deal on the thing. The new catalyst now is the Brexit. So the dollar should getting crushed. But here we come now. Got to break here, come here. All right. That level is 701. That's here. So if I'm here, I reduce my loss by half on this guy. Then I got to put on the big ones and see what happens. All right. That's what we got to do. It's nothing yet. I'll wait till 10 o'clock, I guess. Kind of teasing me here. Well, I think when it happens, it's going to happen fast, right? All right. Break this. Because remember, look at the VWAP here, guys. We're trading outside the current session. The current session is this kind of, I don't know, grayish area, and we're trading outside the session. So most of the time, like a day like today, with this kind of volume, we should come back and trade within the session. All right. One way of looking at it. We're just consolidating here too much. All right. Or we consolidated, but I don't mind if we consolidate, but the candles are low than the previous candle. Then you know you'll get something going. When they're even, they could go either way, right? So what we wanted to see is they consolidated down, right? You notice ATR trailing dots are hooking down, right? It's following trend. It's hooking down. We also need to see it break, right? The longer it stay there is trouble, though, right? Unless they come at 10 o'clock and they take it down, you know what I mean? But still a good idea to mess with some micros right there. Get in with some micros right there. It's right at the top of the key. You can't lose more than $10 if it go back here, right? So it's worth the risk, all right? See how we hooking down? Like when the candles come like this. I don't mind if it consolidates and it hooked down, right? If it was consolidating and it was pointing up, then I would take a lot of heat. But I got in the big one. I'm gonna wipe out all my losses here on the big one, right? So gotta come here. Here, come here would be nice. Kind of oversold here. All right, in a 1 minute chart, but the oversold in the downtrend. If you look at the cumulative delta, this is also hooking down, right? Right? Between there's a difference between the bid and the ask. Right? We like to see this hook down. All right. We like to see this hook down, but still chopping here. I was going to scale out to these guys here, but we're already at a high. So I think I could hold it. I got a $300 cushion. All right. If it worked, then I make a profit. Right. As long as it's there and give me heat though. You need to, okay, now guys, if you're not in the trade, you get the red dot. You're not in the trade, you need to be in the trade. Consolidate, we get a trend shift. We try to take it down now. Target one. Target two is here. Target one and this the micros is here. All right. So here we go, bro. Here we go. I talking myself through the trade, am I right? Here we go. This is the reward here. This is the reward. $300. I'm taking one off. Taking one off. Taking another one off. All right. So I'm playing with two here now. Gonna wipe out this loss here. All right. I talk myself through that trade. Sometimes you have to do that, right? Especially when you're taking heat, right? All right, if you come here, just wipe this out come here, I'm making money now. All right. I take 2 off because there's too much position for them. All right. We come back here. I don't know if I'm going to wait for them taking another one off. And just keep one. All right. So this one alone would pay for these guys. And if these come down here to this level here, I'll be fine. All right. So turn a losing trade into a winning trade. So look at this, bro. Come. Other level. All right. Only down $97 here. See that? Scaling out to that guy. I don't want to give back nothing. So I take the little loss on these guys. Guys are going to pivot here. And now I'm closing my trade. All right. Closing my trades. Going to hold this one here. And that's it. So see that guy? Beautiful. His setup work. Just took a lot of heat. But eventually making some cash, bro. Nice cash. We got 300 here. We got 400 here or more. I'll wipe out the 90 something dollar loss here. So all in all, I'm up $700. $710. Right? I don't need to mess with this guy anymore. All right, he could come down, but I'm taking that off. I want nothing to distract me now. Beautiful, beautiful gold trade. Uh, uh, see how that trade work? If we go back to this chart, guys, look at this. This is like, come here. These levels here, and you see, we could come right back into the current session. We were outside the current session. We come back right close to this VWAP here. We touch it. We kind of touch it, and I got out. That was my level for the big trade on the E-mini. On my level for the micro was here. Force level, got there, I take them out. Right? Got there my force level, come back, take the small loss, come here, take the profit on the big one, and I'm done. The levels do work. Now we sit back and we wait for the next trade. I don't know if I'm going to trade anymore. Make some money last night, so close to $2,000. I don't need to do much, right? So I'm going to stop this video here and we look for next trade. Yeah, man, that thing will do. This indicator here, this indicator works, man. Right? If I didn't open this chart and look at this indicator, I would have gone and take the loss prematurely. Right? I was going to take that loss prematurely. I was taking too much heat. I was going to give up my $300 plus on YM on these micros, am I right? But once we start stuttering here, once we start staying here, right? And this is lining up here with a 930 high, right? And this started here, and we're trading outside the current VWAP session. High probability we come down. But you see how the levels work. Once we break the half standard deviation, I know we come in here close to the yesterday VWAP. So I took my profit there. I didn't want to wait, right? And here I took my profit here, right? And the reason why I picked that level for the micros, right, was where we started the run here, right? Some basic supply and demand strategy, right? Looking back at some other chart. That's why I picked this level, right? Right? It only come by experience. I mean, there's nothing here to tell you it's coming, right? So I look back at my other charts and I say, okay, this is where I wanted to come. Take it. I take in my loss here, book profit on the other one. So I'm glad it worked. We sit back and wait for the next trade.